there, this is Tammy with Tammy's Stamping Therapy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm on with a different kind of a video. Well, it's a project share, but I didn't create it. I am part of a swap group that's outside of YouTube, and one of our swaps that we just did was to send someone a kit that we put together of something we would like to receive, and then they created it and sent it back to us. So I have this die set that came from, why didn't I get that out before? I have this camera die set. Let's see where it came from. This is what the die looks like. Well, when you cut it out, it looks like this. All one piece. And this is from Elizabeth Craft Designs. I bought it online somewhere, I don't remember where, but it is this one big die, and then it has all these little pieces, and one of the pieces that I absolutely love is this tiny little camera die. I think that's really cute, and it's got this film die. So what I sent to my swap partner was a kit I made out of this, and out of, I don't know where that paper is. It's a Graphic 45 paper collection, and it's the one that's African animals. So these are some of the parts that were left that she sent back to me, and let me show you what she made for me. Here is my little camera album. She made a little dangle that went on here. I can't remember if I included that. I might have. I'm not sure. And then here is the little book. My partner was Francine, who has also sent in an entry for my challenge. These are little tuck spots with these cool little stamps in them. I'm sorry, my fingers are not working this morning very well. So there's that film die. There's a lion, another tuck spot. I like how she did all the tuck spots. And then I love this page because it shows all the animals that are in the paper collection. And then this is fun. I think that's another tuck spot there with behind that zebra. And then there's zebra paper. This is a tuck spot here behind that she put on this tag. And then, I don't know what's wrong with my fingers this morning, they're not working at all, but these die cuts are stuck in this tuck spot here. I love this big bird. Yeah, I was going to say blue gold macaw, but that's not right. My husband would know, but he's not here. And these are fun too. More of the little stamps. Another little birdie. Fun paper. Oh, that's cute. That's a tuck spot that's inside there. Like that. And then she put that little camera on there, and it's popped up on foam dots. And then this is the back cover, which there's a tuck spot behind that jungle. That tag moves. And then that's the back. So this was really fun. Francine, I love this. I think she did a really good job. I don't remember if I included ribbons and trims. Yeah. I have another video that shows the kit that she sent to me, and I created and sent back to her, so I'll be posting that video too. A funny thing, it also was a mini album. And then she also included these fun things. She made this Memory Dex card. You leave a little sparkle wherever you go, and this is popped up. Little basket. I don't know what she's leaning on there. And she's added gems, and she popped up the bow, and it looks like she put glossy accents on it. So this is really fun. Love this. And then she included these fun goodies. This is from Spellbinders. It says Die of the Month. And these are the dies that are included, which is cool. I can always use leaves and flowers. And this Victorian accent set, which is laser cut wood, and it looks like it's whitewashed, and then it's got some flowers and maybe some leaves in there. So that was fun. And then she included this cute little card, and each thing came with a really fun bag topper. So this was one of the bags. This was one of the bags. And this was one of the bags. And look at this. I love this piece. And she put the tiger on there, and it's got, I think, glossy accents on top of it. So these I definitely can keep and use again. So Francine, I loved what you did. I didn't know what to expect. Didn't have anything in my mind. I just knew I wanted something using this paper and this die. So I love what you created. So thank you very much. The swap was lots of fun. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.